Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nilu Karansastri Yulianti. I am here as a moderator who will guide the presentation. We from Group 3 will present material about salt hydrolysis. Let's just start the presentation this time. The first presenter is welcome.
Introduce, my name is Silviana. As the one presenter will explain the material about definition of salt. Salt is a compound that results from a neutralization reaction between an acid solution and a base solution that will produce salt and water. Example of neutralization reactions or salt formation reactions, we can look at the PPT. Salts can form the following four chemical reactions: salt of a strong acid and a strong base. This salt is neutral, pH equals 7. Example: sodium chloride, potassium sulfate, and calcium nitrate. Salts of strong acid and weak base. These salts are acidic, pH under 7. Example: zinc perchlorate, ammonium chloride, aluminum chloride, and iron trinitrate. Salts of strong base and weak acid. The salts are basic, pH more than 7. Example: sodium sulfate, potassium cyanate, natrium carbonate, and calcium acetate. Salts of weak acids and weak base. The properties of the acid or base depend on the Ka and Kb values of the compound. Example: sodium sulfate, potassium cyanate, natrium carbonate, and calcium acetate. That's enough for me. I'll return to moderate.
Okay, then the second speaker is welcome.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Ayu Safitri. I will explain the next material, namely definition of hydrolysis. Definition of hydrolysis. Hydrolysis comes from the word hydro, which means water, and lysis, which means decomposition. Thus, the definition of salt hydraulic is the composition reaction that occurs between salt cations and anions and water in a solution. Salt hydraulics can be interpreted as a reversible reaction of the composition of salt by water. The verb of salt hydraulics is a reaction between one of the salt ions, cation or anion, with water and from an acidic or basic solution. Some of the properties of characteristic of salt hydraulics are as follows. The hydraulic process produces salt-forming acid and basic. Cation and anions of strong acid and basic cannot be hydrolyzed because they are completely ionized. Salt does not hydraulic if there are no cation or anion to react. Salt is partial hydraulic if one of the cation or anions react. Salt is completely hydrolyzed if cation and anions react. Okay, that's all my material. I'll return it to the moderator.
Okay, then the third speaker is welcome.
I would like to introduce myself, Inaya Intania Putri. As the third speaker, I will explain salt hydrolysis reaction from strong acid and strong bases. Salt hydrolysis reaction from strong acid and strong bases. Salt from strong acid and strong bases will not undergo a hydrolysis process because neither the cations nor the anions react with water. An example of hydrolysis of ammonium chloride, which is from a strong acid and a weak base, namely hydrochloric acid and ammonia. Ammonia will undergo ionization and break down into ammonium and chlorine ions. The reaction is as follows. Sodium chloride plus water produces sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid. Sodium plus chlorine plus water produces sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen plus chlorine. From the hydrolysis reaction above, it can be seen that the ions from when sodium chlorine salt is dissolved in water are hydrochloric and hydroxide. Both will neutralize pH order and not react with water. In other words, the sodium chloride salt only ionizes and does not hydrolyze, so the resulting solution is neutral or pH 7. Okay, that's all my material. I return it to the moderator.
Okay, here I am as the fourth speaker who will explain the matter about salt hydrolysis reaction from strong acid and weak bases. Salts of strong acids and weak bases will undergo partial hydrolysis. An example of hydrolysis of ammonium chloride, which is formed from a strong acid and a weak base, namely hydrochloric acid and ammonia. Ammoniac will undergo ionization and break down into ammonium and Cl negative ions. It should be remembered that the Cl negative ions from the strong acid, hydrochloric acid, will not be hydrolyzed by water, so only ammonium ions will react with water, increase the concentration and of hydronium ions. The salt hydrolysis process is as follows. We can see it on PowerPoint. Hydrolysis of ammonium chloride salt will produce an acidic solution with a pH below 7. From this equation, we can calculate the degree of hydrolysis to calculate the pH of the solution. The hydrolysis formula uses as follows. We can see it on PowerPoint.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Adelia Benita as a third speaker who will explain the material about salt hydrolysis reaction of weak acid and strong bases. Weak acid and strong bases, when hydrolyzed, will produce a basic solution. An example of hydrolysis of sodium fluoride salt from the weak acid fluoride and the strong base sodium hydroxide. The sodium cation of the strong base sodium hydroxide will not be hydrolyzed, for negative anion is the conjugate base of fluoride acid, which will accept proton from water or hydrolyze it. The salt hydrolysis process is as negative fluorine with water becomes hydrofluoric acid plus hydroxide. In the anion fluorine negative hydrolysis with water, negative hydroxide ion are formed, which makes the solution acid with a potential of hydrogen greater than 7. The degree of hydrolysis can be found with the hydrolysis formula as follows, with description: H. Degree of hydrolysis, Kw. Ionization contents of water, Ke. Acid content, Kb. Base content. Okay, that's all my material. I'll return into the moderator.
Okay, then the last speaker is welcome.
Introduce, my name Dinda Nindya Azhara. As the sixth presenter will explain the material about salt hydrolysis reaction from weak acid and weak bases. Salt of weak acids and weak bases can be hydrolyzed completely. However, to determine the nature of the solution, the concentration of the acid and base must be taken into account. Next, Ka and Kb. If the ionization constant of the acid is greater than the ionization constant of the base, then the hydrolysis solution is acidic. If the base ionization constant is greater than the acid ionization constant, then the hydrolysis solution is basic. If the value of the acid ionization constant is the same as the base ionization constant, then the solution is neutral. An example of the hydrolysis of ammonium acetate salt, which is formed from a weak acid and weak base, namely acetic acid, and ammonium hydroxide. These two ions can be hydrolyzed by water. So, the degree of ionization and pH can be calculated using the hydrolysis equation or formula. The concentration of negative hydroxide is equal to the root of Kw times the concentration of the salt divided by Ka. So, that's all the material from me. I return it to the moderator.
Okay, we have finished our presentation from Group 3. We apologize if there are any shortcomings or errors. I end. Thank you.